In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Bluetooth name of your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down a bit until you find General. And then at the very top, tap at About. That's where we can easily find name, and that is the name of our device that is shown every time you pair it with some other device. And we can easily change it. We can edit it as a regular text. We can delete current name, then we can enter new name here. Also, we can use emojis. And then to save the changes, hit at Done. And as you can see, I have just successfully changed the Bluetooth name of my iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.